This is April 13th, Monday, Math 6 lesson, and we are on lesson 112. So let's go ahead and start working through that lesson. Start on page 268. It says 3 out of 4 active volcanoes in the world are located around the Pacific Ocean. This area is called the Ring of Fire because of the large percentage of volcanoes there. What percentage of active volcanoes are in the Ring of Fire? Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we said that there were 3 out of 4 active volcanoes there. If you remember that. 3 out of the 4 active volcanoes are located in the Ring of Fire, or the Pacific Rim. Okay, now what we want to do is get this to a percentage. Now if you remember, all of our percentages, if we had 60%, it was going to be 60 over 100. So what that tells me is I need to find an equivalent fraction over 100, and then this number will be my percentage. Okay, so let's think about how to find what this number is. Well, 4 times 25 equals 100. So whatever I do to the bottom, I have to do to the top. So 3 times 25 is 75. Okay, so then I have a fraction over 100. So the numerator is my percentage, 75%. So 3/4 is the same thing as 75%. Let's look at the next problem. The library ordered 7 new books about volcanoes. 2 of the books were about the string of shield volcanoes in the Pacific Ocean. What percent of the books were written about these shield volcanoes? So 2 of the books out of the 7 were about shield volcanoes. So 2/7 of the books. Okay, now we want to know what percent. So we want to change this to a percent. Okay, so we want to get something over 100. Okay, well, 7 times what equals 100? That one's a little bit harder to see. So what I'm going to do is use a fact family, and I'm going to say 100 divided by 7 will give me this number that I need. Okay, so 100 divided by 7. Okay, 7 will go into 10 one time. Sorry, they were cross multiplying. We can come at it that way. Let's do it their way though. They actually cross multiply and made this one n like we've been doing. 7n equals 200. So 200 divided by 7 will equal n, which will work a little bit faster. Sorry about that. This is the better way. 7 will go into 20 2 times. 2 times 7 is 14. 6 left over. Bring down my 0. 7 will go into 60 8 times. 7 times 8 is 50. Is that 56? It is. Sorry, I just wanted to double check myself. Okay, 4 left over. Okay, what do we do with the 4? Well, we're going to add a decimal point here. Okay, and we're going to add a 0 on because we can't have a fraction and we can't have a remainder. So I add that decimal point on, add my 0 on, and bring it down. 7 will go into 40 5 times. Okay, so 7 times 5 is 35. Bring down my 5, add a 0. Okay, bring it down. 7 will go into 50. What will that be? 7 times 7 is 49 with 1 left over. Can you see that I'm never going to get to the end of this? Okay, that's okay. Once I've gotten far enough, okay, I can round to this place. So I'm going to look to the 7, and the 7 tells the 5 to go up to a 6. So 28.6 is my answer. Okay, just go to the nearest tenth. Now I can't stop there, or I would have left a 5. I have to at least go one more. Okay, so here the n equals what? 28.6. Okay, So what is my percentage? Just like this was 75%, this one is 28.6%. Okay? All right. Each of the books regularly priced at $24.15. The library bought the books on sale for 1/3 off the regular price. What is the discount and how much did the library pay for each book? Okay, so each book is $24.15. Okay, let me erase this. $24.15, and the discount was for 1/3 off the price. So what we're going to say is we're going to pay 1/3 of $24.15. And I know in math most times of equals multiplication. So I'm going to do 1/3 times, or I'll do it like this, $24.15. Okay? Now I'm going to put this one over 1 and I'm going to multiply across. $24.15 over 3. Now I see just a division problem. Okay, so $24.15 divided by 3. 3 will go into 24 8 times. Bring down the 1. 3 will go into 1 0 times. Bring down the 5. 3 will go into 15 5 times, and that's going to come out equal. Bring my decimal point up. Okay, $8.05. But is that how much we paid for the book? No, that's the discount. So that's the first part of my answer. I got a discount. 1/3 off of this is $8.05. Okay. Well, then how much am I going to pay for it? Well, I'm going to take the original price of $24.15 and I'm going to subtract $8.05. So $16.10 is what I'm going to pay. Okay? So the discount I'm getting is $8. The sale price, how much I'm going to pay at the cash register, is $16.10. So this would be my answer to that problem. Okay? So you're going to work on moving these fractions into percents. Remember, you need to get them over 100. Okay? And then that top number, that numerator, becomes the percent that you were looking for. Okay? So let me know if you have any questions and do numbers 1 through 18. Have a great Monday.